turtle's shell is not a single piece, but is made up of over 50 bones fused together. The top part of the shell is called the carapace, and the underside is a plastron. Starfish! Starfish like to eat clams, shells, and mussels. When they capture their prey, they have tiny suction cups to grab hold of their food. When they eat, their stomach exits their mouth to digest the food, then re-enters the body when they've finished eating. Shark! The earliest sharks date back to around 450 million years ago, meaning they were around millions of years before the dinosaurs. Sharks get through up to 30,000 teeth in a lifetime. Their gums work like a conveyor belt, with teeth growing at the back and moving forward when needed. Sharks are a type of fish called an elasmobranch, which means their skeletons are not made of bone, but cartilage. Eel! Most eels have no scales. The eel's backbone is made up of over 100 vertebrae, which makes it very flexible. Eels have gills and very sharp teeth. There are around 800 species of eel, with some living in saltwater and some in freshwater. Jellyfish! Jellyfish are 95% water, and they don't have brains, hearts, or lungs. Some smaller species of jellyfish only live for a few hours, but larger species, like the lion's mane, can live for a few years. The tentacles of a lion's mane jellyfish can reach 36 meters long. Octopus! Octopuses have been around for over 330 million years. Octopuses have 3 hearts. They also have blue blood. Octopuses swim backwards by blasting water through a muscular tube on their body called a siphon. They can reach speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Lobster! Lobsters usually feed on bottom dwellers like clams, snails, and crabs. They can grow up to 4 feet long and weigh as much as 40 pounds. It is believed that lobsters can live as long as 100 years. Lobsters are considered marine crustaceans, along with shrimp, krill, and barnacles. Hammerhead shark! The hammerhead shark uses sensors in its head to detect its prey. They do not lay eggs like most other fish. Young hammerhead sharks can swim as soon as they are born. Hammerhead sharks eat stingrays, but can also eat fish, crabs, squid, and lobsters. Whale! There are 2 types of whales, the baleen whales and the toothed whales. All dolphin families, including porpoises, are also classed as whales. It is estimated that there are less than 2,000 Antarctic blue whales left in the world. The Antarctic blue whale is the largest animal on the planet. Saltwater crocodile! Saltwater crocodiles have about 66 teeth that get replaced every 2 to 3 years and can go through over 3,000 teeth in a lifetime. They are the largest reptile in the world and can grow up to 6.5 meters long and weigh up to 1,000 kilograms. They are amphibious, living in seawater, rivers, and on land. Fiddler crab! Fiddler crabs are small crabs that dig burrows in the sand in some beaches. Male fiddler crabs have 1 very large claw. Female fiddler crabs are smaller and only have 2 small claws, so it's easy to tell them apart from the males. The fiddler crabs that live in the US can grow to be as big as 1.5 inches. Jellyfish! Jellyfish have tiny stinging cells in their tentacles to stun or paralyze their prey before they eat them. Inside their bell-shaped body is an opening that is its mouth. They eat and discard waste from this opening. As jellyfish squirt water from their mouths, they are propelled forward. Jellyfish eat fish, shrimp, crabs, and tiny plants. Great white shark! Great white sharks are warm-blooded, and they can also adjust their body temperature according to their surroundings. Great white sharks can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour in short bursts. Great white sharks are between 4 to 5 feet long when they're born. Great white sharks live for between 40 to 70 years. Dolphin! There are 36 species of marine dolphin. The Amazon River is home to 4 species of river dolphin that are found nowhere else on Earth. Bottlenose dolphins can reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour for brief periods. Dolphins mostly eat fish, but they can also eat crustaceans such as squid and shrimp. Wow, shark! Whale sharks are the world's largest living fish. They travel thousands of kilometers every year. They can grow to up to 18 meters long and weigh up to 19 tons. They are further feeders, eating plankton, small fish, and crustaceans. Hermit crab! Hermit crabs live in large colonies of 100 or more animals, where they often sleep piled up together and can even collaborate in teams to find food. Hermit crabs are not true crabs, but are more closely related to squid lobsters. Hermit crabs can live for more than 30 years. Blue-spotted ray! The blue-spotted ray is named after the striking blue spots covering its body. They live in coral reefs and sandy flats in the Indo-Pacific Ocean. They dig in the sand, hunting shallow sand-dwelling animals like shrimp and crabs. If cornered, they can lash out with the poisoned barb on the end of their tails. Females can have up to 7 babies per litter, and the newborns have the distinctive blue spots at birth. Shark! There are more than 530 species of shark. The fastest shark is the short-fin mako with a top speed of 45 miles per hour. A shark's tail is called a caudal fin, and the shark with the longest tail is the thresher shark. A thresher shark's tail can be almost 3 meters long. Tiger shark! Tiger sharks grow to about 18 meters long and weigh more than 1,400 pounds. They are grayish in color, and when young, they have dark spots and vertical bars like a tiger. Tiger sharks will eat almost anything. Some have been found with license plates, tires, and even other sharks in their stomachs. Turtle! Turtles are reptiles and are cold-blooded. This means that their body temperature changes based on how warm or cold it is outside. The smallest turtle is the Kemp's Ridley, which is around 70 centimeters long and weighs up to 40 kilos. The largest turtle is the leatherback, which can reach up to 180 centimeters and weighs 250 to 700 kilos.